ADV crypto reversal. When the price goes too far from moving average, it tends to come back. This is a strategy based on the fact that price always tends to come back to moving average. We use this strategy to trade on 5-minute candles. Criteria is to have positive daily average volume and to have price above all moving averages or 90 days breakout if we are buying, and price below all the moving averages or 90 days breakdown if we are shorting. We also need to make sure that RSI is close to 30 if we are buying and close to 70 if we are shorting. This is some additional indicator that made this strategy even stronger. Rules. Setup for an uptrend. Buy. If we see that an uptrend coin drops at least 5 consecutive candles out of 12 or 26 moving average, we are watching coin and waiting for reversal. The first candle that breaks an upward will have buying the high of that candle. Stop loss is the low of the last candle. Profit 1 to 2 risk to reward or the touch of the moving average. For a downtrend, short. If we see the downtrend coin price goes up at least with 5 consecutive candles out of 12 or 26 moving average, we are watching the coin and waiting for reversal. The first candle that breaks on downward, we are shorting the low of that candle. Stop loss is the high of the last candle. Profit is the 1 to 2 risk to reward or touch of moving average. Here is a deeper explanation of ADV crypto reversal strategy. If we had coin trending on a daily chart and to daily see it break out, or we see some interesting formation like cup and handle, head and shoulders, and I'm climbing a chart, the price started going up and then we see 5 consecutive candles going down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then it takes our attention. First candle that breaks above, we are buying the high of that candle. We put our stop immediately at the low of that candle and we sell once the coin patch some of the moving averages or when we reach 1 to 2 risk reward. The same is for a downtrend, just vice versa. If we see a coin trending in a range, and today all the coins went down for example 20% and we found good opportunity in the daily chart, we are looking at the 5-minute charts. If we see the coin going down and then immediately started going up for 5 consecutive candles, and this is too far from 12 or 26 moving average, we are looking for a shorting opportunity. First candle that breaks down, we are shorting. We put our stop immediately at the high of the last candle, and we take our profits once the coin reaches 1 to 2 risk reward or before the patch of moving average. As we already plotted, small candles are better candidates as they offer a more favorable risk to reward. If the reversal point is close to the previous support or resistance or any other moving average, it makes a strategy even stronger. What do I mean by that? If we see the coin going up and then 5 consecutive candles going down, and we have some previous support or resistance right here, or even a moving average, this makes this strategy even stronger. This is a very powerful strategy with a profit of 69% of the time. An example of our ADV crypto reversal strategy was ADA trading today. We found a good opportunity for going long on a daily chart, and we could see on a 5-minute chart the coin went down with a few consecutive candles in a row. The first candle would break out, we bought that candle. The price was 1.967 and our stop was at 1.959. At the same time, we look at the RSI and RSI showed 26. Once the price reached 1 to 2 risk to reward, they could take our profits. An example for shorting was Shiba Inu trading today. We could see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 consecutive candles going up and RSI going into an extreme level, which was 72 at this point. Once this candle broke down, we shorted Shiba Inu at 0.00005216 and we put our stop immediately at 0.00005300. Once the price reached 1 to 2 risk reward, we could take our profits. Here is an example of a trade today that we didn't take, even if it was a great opportunity on a daily and an intraday chart. This candle of Elrond Gold was pretty big and the moving average was too near. Also, the high of this candle showed the RSI that was certified.